Hello everybody and welcome to our app Infinite TikTok Catalog Feed. In this video, we are going to set up this app. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have signed up in Business TikTok and your profile should be complete. And if you already have created a catalog in it, that's good. But if you haven't created it, that's okay. You can create it in our app. Now let's discuss how to upload Shopify product data on TikTok, so that you can run your dynamic product ads, collection ads, and display products on TikTok news feed. So you simply have to click on Get Started. Here you will see two options, Continue with TikTok, and the second one is Continue without TikTok. If you want to go with the second option, you will have to work manually, but if you select the first option, that is Continue with TikTok, you will have to log into your TikTok account and the remaining process will be automatic. So I'm going with this option, and after clicking on it, your business TikTok will directly get opened. Here you have to click on Confirm, and then it will automatically be linked to your TikTok catalog. Now you have to select your business center. You can see I have selected a business center, and you can have multiple business centers. It's up to you. Now you have to select the catalog. You can see I already have a catalog, but right now I'm creating an e-commerce catalog. Make sure you select the country and currency accordingly. Then write its name and click on Save. You can see the new catalog has been created and I'm selecting it. Now, after refreshing the page, you will see the new catalog has been added to TikTok Business Center. So I'm clicking on Continue. Here you have to write your feed name. Our app supports multiple feeds, so you can create multiple setups. Right now, I'm creating only one feed for the United States. Now, I'm selecting the language and currency accordingly. Now you can see all these options and adjust them according to your requirements. Is up to you, but I'm going with the default settings. Now there are some options that you have to select. Then click on Sync Now. Now let's discuss the pricing plans. You can see there are three plans: Basic, Standard, and Premium, and you can subscribe the plan that suits you the most after going through their features. Right now I'm subscribing the free plan. It will take some time and then the products will get uploaded in TikTok Business Center. Meanwhile, let's open the business account. Here you have to click on Open in Catalog Manager. Now I'm clicking on Product Sources. Here you can see the products are being uploaded here. After some time, you will see all the products here. You can see all the products are being uploaded here. Let's open this product. You can see all the details are provided here. Besides this, you can do many other things in our app, like customizing and bulk editing the products. You can also single edit the products and do their SEO, like title, description, product labels, etc. So these are the settings with which you can customize and optimize your feeds. I hope after watching this video you will have a clear idea of how to set up this app. Don't forget to share your feedback with us, and thanks for watching this video.